What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day, because I am. We got some good ass weather here in Seattle, and we're gonna take advantage of that. So we're gonna be working on the CRX, man. My plan is to pretty much just swap out this sunroof plate that I made years ago. That's why I did not paint it. I left this open because if you look at it, all the rivet holes are not even. Like, it's just so janky, bro. So I ended up going to the metal store and bought me a whole sheet of aluminum. So we're gonna drill that out real quick and then start measuring, because every car meet I've been to, people say the CRX is clean, but me knowing the fact that I have that ugly ass sunroof plate is just crazy. So we're gonna work on that and make this CRX a little bit better. All right, to my short kings, I need a damn stool. To you tall fucks, you blessed motherfuckers. Boom, one. Two. Oh, what the fuck, man? Well, one drill bit gone after I did just two motherfucking what's that word called? Rivet. That's Harbor Freight for you, bruh. Boom. Boom. Luckily, there was no water like leakage coming through all this when I was like daily driving this car when I was like 18. I'm gonna go get my vacuum real quick and start like vacuuming up these like metal, and then after that we're gonna start measuring again from the width and the height and all that stuff, so we can start transferring it on the metal sheet. Sorry, I'm kind of tired right now. Whew. That was a lot of work. So I got my vacuum. Turn that on. Boom. Hold up. Ooh. All right. Boom. So my plan is to use this as a template. So we're gonna trace around it real quick and then probably extend the height and the width by roughly 2 inches. So the new template is all marked up. I don't know if y'all can see, it's kind of light. I extended this by 2 inches length and width. So I'm gonna get my tool real quick. I'm gonna use a jigsaw, and I also bought a whole bunch of like blade, and I'm hoping that it turns out nice. So I'm gonna set this up real quick and then start cutting away. All right, wish me luck. Cutting pretty smooth. We can put this down here. Now we're gonna take this and pretty much start like grinding all the edges and make it all smooth with my grinder. Okay, check this out. This side looks a little bit better. Ah, sheesh. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this up real quick, and after that, I'm gonna show you guys the final results. So that took longer than I expected, but we're finally done. I even marked out where I'm gonna drill. So I marked the middle for each end, so y'all can see, and then I spaced it about an inch. So I'm gonna drill here, skip one, drill here, skip one, drill here, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna start drilling real quick, and I'm also gonna check what rivet size I'm gonna use, and then once we're good with that, we're gonna try to put it on top of the CRX and start drilling the CRX too. Yes, sir. All the holes are all drilled out now, and this thing looks clean. Hell yeah, bruh. Compared to the, look at that uneven. Wow. But I ran to a freaking issue, bruh. I thought I had some 3/16 rivets, and I only have like, I believe 10 in this, or maybe less. So I'm gonna have to order it on Amazon, and I'm hoping it's gonna arrive tomorrow, and I'll probably just finish everything off by then. So that kind of sucks, but I'm gonna put this plate real quick on top of the car. So y'all get the point a little bit. Look at that. Ooh, this thing looking clean, bruh. Hey, I'm super stoked right now. This thing came out pretty clean, and it's not even installed yet. I'm gonna measure the distance from like the roof, and then get the center point on each side so we can get this plate all aligned correctly, because I don't want it to be uneven. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Kind of getting tired right now, so I'm probably just gonna go inside, call it a night, and then come back tomorrow. So we're back, man, and we got the rivets that we need, but couldn't find out this freaking plate is way too thick, bruh. Like, it's just not bendable, and I kind of messed up on my end, not just measuring the freaking thickness, but we live and learn. But I got lucky, bro. I went to the back to see if I had like any type of sheets. Tell me why there was one like perfectly cut to the dimensions that I was using for this. So I ended up just getting that and tracing over this plate that we already did. So it's the same exact process, and I didn't record it because it was like the same shit anyways. So it's currently on top of the CRX now. I already measured the center points of from like this end to that end and this end to that end, so and so. So it's now bendable. Like, it's like I can bend it, and I believe this is a 16 or 18 gauge, like 0.063 or some shit, but one of those. And I'm pretty sure I was already thinking of like swapping out the plate a long time ago. I just forgot that I had this plate, and good thing we have this, because we would have had to go to the freaking metal store again and buy another sheet of aluminum. So we saved some money there. But the plate is already sanded down, all smooth, no more sharp edges. So I'm just gonna drill this 2 points and maybe this and that, and then pretty much just mark up all the holes that we're gonna drill. Then after that, we're gonna take it out and we're gonna paint it. And then once we finish painting, we're gonna put it back on the freaking CRX and rivet it down permanently. Alright, I'm out of luck. So I checked all around to see if I have any screws as big as this, but I don't. So we're gonna play Russian roulette. We're just gonna go and paint this real quick and then just start riveting down all the 4 holes that I drilled, and then after that just start drilling it through. Hopefully it works out, but let's cross our fingers and fuck it, let's send it. So I'm just gonna wipe it down with some alcohol. Get all the dirt, all the handprints, so we don't have no issues. I think I'm gonna use a gloss black somewhere around here after we do a coat of this. So I'm gonna use this roll bar chassis from VHT, and I think it's gonna look pretty good. So we just did our last coat. I did 2 coats only, but heavy. We're gonna let this dry real quick, and then we're gonna bring this to the roof and then start drilling holes. So we lost a lot of daylight because I had to go run some errands, man, but now we're back and we're gonna finish this. Before I left the house, I ended up drilling 4 holes, 1 on top, bottom, and 1 on each side. Before we lay down the plate here, we're gonna run some silicone around here real quick so we can prevent any water leakage. But I doubt I'll ever drive this car in the rain because I don't even have no windshield wipers. So let's just, run that bead real quick, put that plate back on, and then rivet down those 4 holes, and then start drilling all the other ones, and pretty much just get all that riveted down permanently. Cool, we got a good silicone bead. Now I'm gonna go get the plate real quick and put it down. Boom. Put 1 in here. Boom. Put 1 right here. Boom. Put 1 up top. Boom. And then 1 on the other side. There you go. Alright. Just gonna rivet this down. Push. Bam. Push. Bam. 1 more. Ooh. Oh, it didn't scratch. Okay, that's a tight seal right there, baby. Boom. Push. Boom. Bed. Push. Damn, I kind of scratched it a little bit. Right. Okay, so we just riveted this down. Now I'm gonna start drilling all the other holes. So I'll catch you guys when I'm done. Sheesh, come check this out, bruh. That thing looks clean. I just wiped it down real quick. I'm gonna have to wipe more over here because the silicone started coming off of here, but I cleaned it up as best as I can. But you can still somewhat see over there. But yeah, this thing came out super clean, bruh. I'm not gonna lie. Let me open the door. Yeah, I gotta clean up a whole bunch of shit, but as y'all can see, it should be fully sealed with the silicone. And hey, I'm pretty stoked on how it came out. So I'm just gonna clean up real quick, vacuum everything, and pick up all the little rivet, whatever these are called, nails. But this little project, man, came out super clean, bruh. It's better than my old sunroof delete plate right there, sitting in the garbage where it belongs. It's way better. So I think I spent roughly about $84 on that big ass sheet of aluminum, but we couldn't use it because it was way too thick. But if you go to your metal store, man, and give them the exact dimensions of the sheet you need, you probably won't even spend over $35, bro. It's gonna be cheaper than buying it online, because I was searching up like universal plates and they were going for like $150, bro. So you can save some money by doing it your own. Just be patient, get the right dimensions, you'll be money. But let me show you guys what I've been doing to the CRX off camera. We finally installed the valve cover that we repainted not that long ago, and this thing came out super clean, bruh. And I also made my own catch can. Look at them boo-boo welds. But don't make fun of me, man. I've only been learning how to TIG weld for the past 2 to 3 weeks. It's been hard as hell, but it's fun and I'm willing to learn. So give me about 2 to 3 months, I'll get better at this and I'll start fabbing shit up. And also, I'll be saving myself some money by not, you know, spending shit, you know, like $200 or $300 to get some fab work done. So give me some time and I'll get better, bro. Trust me. But with me getting this valve cover done, getting the bungs up front, we eliminated these hoses that was running from my block to my catch can that was sitting here. So now we're gonna be cleaning up all these like wires, all these right here, and making it 10 times better, bruh. So that'll be on the next video. But I think that's it for today, man. So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you guys want to stick around and see more of his current project and the future projects, hit that subscribe button. But on that note, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.